How many of you know, or how many of you remember that the FJ runs on regular gas? That's 30 cents a gallon on average that you're saving when you put petrol in here. Hey Siri, what's 30 cents times 16?
I found an answer. It's displayed on your iPhone.
Oh man, read it to me, bitch. God, Siri, you suck. 450. Normal fill up is, let's say, 16 gallons. You save $4.50 per fill up. I'm bored. It is 30 degrees outside, so it's actually kind of warm. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get to Mormon Flats. And it's just 8 minutes from the house. Y'all probably want to see where I'm driving. Let me turn you around that way. Short of the road and the trailheads or the monuments, the Mormon monuments. This is all private property, so in 30 years this is probably a subdivision or 2 or 3 back here. This part of the road is only maintained by the people who live out here or vehicle traffic.
Baby, 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 come back. Can't you see? I'm on a losing streak.
Spring campground. I've shot other videos here before. I think I set up the tripod once before and did donuts out here.
Baby, come back. Can't you see? I'm on a losing streak. When I'm right.
I gotta tell you that blacked out FJ looks really good in snow. needs a little fire to warm it up. Man, for those of you people living in Southern California and Dallas, Texas, this is what y'all don't get. We get a full 4 seasons. This is the one that I kind of like the least, although it is very pretty.
Baby, come back. Can't you see I'm on a losing streak?
Hi, man. That's all I got. See ya. Hey Siri, subscribe to Uncle Fester on YouTube.